custom outdoor kitchen design in Dallas by Uncommon Designers. We've been making outdoor kitchen design alternatives for the Dallas, Texas community for decades, specializing in aesthetically pleasing designs that match the existing surroundings and practical living spaces that reflect your personal style and preferences. Uncommon Designers know the importance of creating a cohesive and functional outdoor space. Owning an outdoor kitchen is more than just creative decorative spaces to enjoy with your friends and family. It's about creating memorable and symbiotic experiences between yourself and your outdoor space. Uncommon Designers is committed to delivering high-quality, long-lasting, and budget-friendly design installation services tailored individually to the needs and vision of our customers. Our competitive pricing and unique approach to landscaping make it stand out against our competition. Hire our modern outdoor kitchen design and installation services today and make your outdoor living dreams a reality. Contact now